Hi, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. As a base, I'm wearing H la Cosedora stamping polishes, Pink Candy, Hello Sunshine, Ba Dee, Purple Rain, and Kryptonite. I applied one coat of each except the yellow one, which I applied 2 coats of. They're very well pigmented and they dry really fast. I'm going to be using this H la Cosedora stamping plate called Eskimo Kisses. I pick up the image with a black polish and then I'll fill it in with a white polish. I love using a clear stamper because I can always flip it over and check my work. Now I'll set it aside and let it dry. I picked up the same image on these 4 stampers, and on these 2 I wanted to try a different image, so I picked this one using the same black polish. This is how it looks. It looks really cute. So I'm going to try maybe applying this one on 2 nails and then the other ones on the other nails. Since I want to stamp the image directly onto my nail, but I've had this polish on for a long time, it's already completely dry and I want to make sure that all the parts of the images stick to my nails, I'm going to apply foil glue on all the nails. I'll know it's dry once it turns completely clear. Now that the foil glue is dry, I can stamp the images onto my nails. We'll start with this one. I use a piece of tape to remove the excess. I'll use some of the leftover image on this stamper to fix this area. That looks a lot better. After cleaning up, I'm ready for a top coat, and I'll be using my Sally Hansen matte top coat. Once the matte top coat is completely dry, this is what I'm left with, and I really love the way it turned out. I hope you guys enjoyed it too. Let me know if you have any questions or comments. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye!